How to make business website on Wix. Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you the way of how can we do these easily without any mistakes. So go to wix.com and here you need to create an account. Click on get started here or in the right top. If you have an account, you'll be redirected to this page where we can see all of our websites. And basically you can do it with your Gmail. You can create account with your Gmail. And after that, when everything is done, you have an account, we can click on create new site in the right top. So after that, we'll have two options. We can create it with AI, but to make it easier, we can set up it without chat. So we'll have a checklist and we can just simply do everything step by step. So let's click on setup without chat. And we'll come to the next page where you just simply need to select what type of website do you want to create. So in our case, we need to create a business website. Let it be business category to make it wider. So we'll be able to find a lot of different templates to choose from. So let's click on continue, the next step. And after that, it will create our dashboard. So from this page, we can then manage all the things. So we can manage design, shipment options, SEO options, different product management, and so on. So firstly, we need to set the name. Let it be B-site, like business website. Click on continue. After that, we can manage working hours. So you can select days, time from to, and also time zone. Let's click on continue. Also services. So what will we offer? We can select something, for example, let it be info session and repeat service, or probably single session. So you can select the necessary one, or you can create new service. So if I'm going to click, we can add name, service type, payment type, and so on. Let's click on continue now. Next step is to add staff members. So if you have a team, you can add a name, also manage their emails. So you can share the option to connect to these website as an admin for different members. Let's click on continue. And what else do you want to do with your business? So on this website, we can assess online payments, accept in-person payments, manage services and booking on the go, send automated emails and SMS reminders, and also sell digital and physical products. So you can select, let's say that we'd like to do everything. So according to options we'll choose, we'll get some other features we can implement to our website. So you can select like some of them, or maybe all, or you can just simply click on skip if you don't want to add something. Let's click on continue. And now we can go to our dashboard where we can then find all the things, all the other steps we need to perform to interact, to create a website. And as you can see, now we have only 5 steps we need to do. So firstly, they recommend us to connect a custom domain. And if you don't want to, you don't have to, but we can click on let's go. And after that, we can then, basically it's available. As you can see, we can make it ours and we can buy it from Wix directly. And after that, we can then use these domain as our own. The next step is to add our first service. Let's click on add service. And as you can see, we're moved to the subfolder in the left side menu, catalog, and then booking services. So here we can see an existing ones, and also we can add some additional. We can click on add new. And after that, we can select from an existing things, or we can click on start from scratch. And here we can basically add all the necessary things. So we can manage name, type, price, payment option, and so on. So this is how to add the services. Make sure that all services were added, but you can also add them in the future because Wix provides us the opportunity to do that. So it's not a problem. You can add them a little bit later. So let's go to the next step. And the next step here is to set up payment method. So we can click on it, and also we'll move to settings here, as you can see, to accept payments. And here, make sure that you've selected your business location, for example, Germany or United States, France, Spain, and so on. A lot of locations available. And according to your business location, you'll get access to different options to pay. So for example, for Germany, we have cards option, PayPal, and also manual payments. So if you want to connect it, you can just simply click on connect, see all the instructions. So to connect your payment account, PayPal account, we need to enter our PayPal account email, click connect, and follow some other instructions. We can see our fees and so on. As you can see, all the steps are quite simple. The same thing with cards. We can basically accept, and then we can see that we have a lot of features like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so on. It's not that hard at all, but you need to know that in order to connect, for example, a card payment, we need to upgrade our Wix plan. So I'll show it a little bit later as for you. As I said, we have Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card or debit cards option. Also, we have Sofort for Germany here. So let's continue. And the next step is to create a design. So we can design our website. We can click on design site. And after that, we have two options here. So we can generate a design with AI, or we can customize a template. So if you want to create unique design, you can try to use it with an AI, but you need to have some prompts, some vision of how should it look like. So if you are going to do these with AI, make sure that it's correct and you know exactly what do you want. In my case, I would like to pick a template because I want to see the reference, and after that I can customize it in the future. So all the websites are totally customizable. We can change everything inside. We can add different pages. We can manage sections, manage elements, change fonts, and so on. So I'm going to use this template here. I think it's really good. Let's click on view. But as you can see, we have more than 10 different pages, more than 100 different templates for business websites. So let's click on view. And after that, we can see how will it look like. It looks really good, really modern. I like it. So we can switch to mobile view. And as you can see, all templates on Wix are totally responsive for different types of devices. And yeah, it looks really good, really like connected to mobile view. So let's click on edit this site. And after that, it will be added to our editor, and we can then customize it. I'll show you main features here, but if you want to see some in-depth tutorials, you can find them on my channel with the Wix keyword. And basically, we have a lot of options of how can we interact with it, but we have 4 main things. So we can manage pages, we can manage sections, and we can manage elements. So our website was created from different pages, right? So we have like homepage, product page, pricing plans, and so on. We can add new pages, we can delete an existing ones, and also we can interact with content inside. But firstly, let's see how to interact with pages. So we need to click on pages and menu in the left side menu. And here we have our structure. We have a home, we have a pricing plans, and also we have book online. If you want to add a new page, we can click on add a page and find all the templates available. We can also create it from scratch by clicking on blank page. But let's say that I would like to add team bio to my site. So let's click on add page, and it will be automatically added. So as you can see, now we have about page. We can change the position. For example, I'm going to move it to the bottom, and as you can see, we can find that our header here was changed. So we now have about page. Let's open it by clicking And as you can see, we were redirected to the page with our theme. So after that, we need to manage different sections, right? By the way, to delete your page, you can do the same by clicking on more, and then you simply select to delete. So the same thing with sections. We have these sections here, where we can find this section here, these, and we have these options. We can move them, we can delete, and so on. Also, we can add and do some other things. The same thing with objects. So we can go to elements here. We can add element. So what's element? Element is something inside of this section. So here, for example, we have this text, we have this button, and so on. So when we'll customize everything, our website is ready. We can publish it and then just simply use. So if you want to discover paid plans, you can click on upgrade here, click on compare plans, and then just simply compare them. After that, you can buy and use your website. So technically, that's all steps of how to create a business website on Wix. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and good ways.